This is my new blog. This blog is called the snow blog. So I'm gonna make with my snow blog a nice elephant. So let's get started. We will take this two purple. Guys, it's so hard to join. But if we join like this now, it will be so light. That's why I'm like this. It can make a lot also like this. But guys, we will make 4. Then we will turn the 4 into us. इसे हम अगर स्नो ब्लॉक्स आएंगे ना तो इसे थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट होना चाहिए. तो स्नो ब्लॉक्स हैं तो वो भी होएंगे ना स्नो जैसे. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस वाइट लुक लाइक अ रियल स्नो बट इट्स नॉट. Guys, with another blue color here. Some blocks are falling down, but I will take it out again. So guys, this is the elephant's in part. Now we are gonna make a outside part. We have white and green so much, so that's why I'm making a white and green skin. Because my other blocks are so dark, what we call the lush, and my white and green blocks are so dark, money. That's why I'm making one like this with white. Guys, be careful if you guys, if you see this space now, we will make this white space to this blue space. But it's not baby's work. It's so hard to make this elephant. So I have a paper also. We can see it from that paper. But I practiced that to make it. So I'm making without the paper. Then we will. I am thinking that if I make this green spots and white lines, so I will make white spots and green lines. I like this. I don't know why these white blocks are looking like snow, but it's not snow. I have so much white. Look, 1, 2. It's so many. White. We will do same at the other side also. Be careful because when I was practicing to make this I am gonna hurt on my finger, but finally I saved. Guys, इसमें for example my hands are, this one line is I don't know what it is, but where is that white? Yes. It's I think a space here leaves. Guys, you see this one and this one now. I am joining this. It's so hard to make. Let's skip this one. Let's do this one. Guys. This is white, I think. I am out of green, so I am using my white. You see my white has, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4 white I have, and yellow also I have. But my hands are just a tad like this one. It's also not working. My small brother came and said, "Hi, I got hi." He always cries. I don't need this one. Okay, Amza? I don't need that now. Oh, I think I am so scared that it not broke again. Hamza. Finally we make this one part. Now we are making the legs. I think we need to make a leg with red color. I think so, because I like red color. It's going. Oof. It looks like this. Oof. Guys, I think we have make a no mistake. I guess have a no mistake. But keep moving. We'll take this too. It's not ice cream. Yeah. We like ice cream. He is trying to break, but his hand gets it done. I think I was scared from this thing and this all happened. Hi guys. I think I need to try another way. I know how to do that. Guys, I make it wrong. Now I need to break this lug. I think the lug will not come here. Lug will take me, guys. Yes, the lug will come here.
Papa, Mommy.
I don't know why I make this lug. Not again. Look. It's a blue. Snow blocks are so difficult to join. But one block just to fly away. Hamza, don't do that, I say. Hamza, you will get hurt again. Let's go to the sister. Do not move the elephant now. I think the face will come. I think like this. No. My brain is cutting that. This one button गाइस ये हाथी के ना कभी इसे हाथी बहुत पसंद है, तो माँ सोचा कि इसके लिए हाथी बना लूँ। तो अगर माँ ने सोचा कि इसके लिए हाथी बना लूँ, माँ सोचा कि हाथी तो मेरा होएगा अच्छा सा। तो मैं वही बात सोचता हूँ कि मैं इसे गाइस थोड़े से लोग तो मेरे नीचे गिर के पर सून की तरह पता नहीं क्या मसला, आई डोंट नो बट इट्स I don't want to make a tower on my time. इसके कान बहुत थोड़े से बनते हैं। गाइस गया। गाइस इसकी नाक है क्या चीज़ है? आई हाय इसकी नाक ही टेढ़े कर दिए मेरे भाई ने। नाक थोड़ी सी इसकी वो ना भूल गया तो मैं इसकी वजह से मैं सोचता हूँ तो इसी टेढ़ी बनाते हैं सीधे ढूंढ अच्छा नहीं लगेगा बेचारा फिर रोएगा ना मैं पूछ से वैसे मैं फिर से गिर गया सूंड इसके बड़ा टन कर दिया। तुम इसकी तरह पता है इसकी धमासे को हिल दिया। हाथ से बनाने की सोच था। ओह हाँ गाइस, ये तो स्नो ब्लॉक्स है ना, मैं भूल ही गया था। ये फिर से गिर गया। Guys, like and subscribe my channel. It broke again. Let's skip. So guys, if you like this elephant, so like it. If you love it, so subscribe. Okay.